Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by naming the schema's purpose and selecting the minimal entities you need now. Collect 3-5 representative records so you can infer types and constraints. Choose storage format, SQL for transactions, no SQL for flexibility, JSON schema for APIs, because each dictates how you model relations and validation. Once done, draft primary keys and required fields and decide defaults. Make sure to keep scope narrow. This prevents rework and gives you a working schema fast so you can iterate. You now model each entity in detail. Assign types, nullability, defaults, and indexes. Add foreign keys where relationships require integrity. Create validation rules and API contracts so consumers know what to expect. Write representative queries or test payloads to exercise joins and filters. Run migrations in a sandbox environment and capture performance metrics and errors. Once done, iterate, adjust types, or add denormalization if queries show hot spots. Make sure to version changes so teams can adopt safely. You deploy using atomic migrations, feature flags, and a verified backup so you can revert without data loss. Monitor errors, latency, and data quality via dashboards and alerts. Define thresholds that trigger investigation. If issues arise, follow the rollback plan and run data reconciliation scripts to repair inconsistencies. Once stable, document the schema, version it, and communicate changes. If a migration fails, stop, restore the backup, and replay verified transforms. This keeps production safe and preserves trust in your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.